Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, then welcome. My name is Faith Hill and thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than videos that I've done on my channel previously. I don't think I've ever done a video where I'm like showing you how I do some sort of a maintenance on myself. So that's what this video is going to be today. I'm going to show you guys how I laminate my brows. This is what they look like right now. They were laminated, I would say, like 5 weeks ago. So they're not as like curly as they could be, but I like my brows to look like super full, which is why I laminate my brows in the first place. So I've gotten my eyebrows laminated before, like by a professional. So I was able to just like know that I was going to be able to do this by myself, because it's really not hard. If you have thin eyebrows like I do and you like want a thicker brow, I think this is a really good way to get a thicker brow. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So if you want to see how I laminate my eyebrows, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching the video. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys what I do. So the kit that I'm using, I don't know what brand this is, y'all, but this, I got it on Amazon. So search this. But honestly, I was looking at all of the brands and all of the kits that were on Amazon, and they're all pretty similar. They all come with the same thing. I just read the reviews. I wanted to make sure that the one that I got, nobody said that their eyebrows burnt off or anything like that. So that was what was really important to me. So yeah, I don't know what brand this is, but that's the brand that I'm using. So it comes with this little kit right here. It also comes with the plastic film that you will need to set your brows when you're doing all the laminating. It did come like a little bit like bent up, but I don't know if that's their fault or if that's Amazon's fault. The directions are on the back, and that's literally what I did. I just followed the directions on the back. That's what I'm gonna do today too, because I still don't want to mess anything up. So when you don't want to mess things up, follow directions. So it comes like this with all of the stuff that you need, steps 1 through 5, I believe. And then it comes with these brow brushes that are nice for being able to brush the hairs up. So step 1 is to use the cleansing lotion to clear off oil, dust, and makeup residue. Here is the cleanser. So I've used this one time and I have like this much left. So I feel like, oh, and I think that this kit was like 17 bucks. So not bad at all. For I can probably do this 2 more times because you don't use that much product. So definitely saving money. So this is what my eyebrows look like when they're just brushed down, just like that, instead of having them brushed up. I normally have my eyebrow hairs brushed up like this because it just gives them that thicker appearance, and I don't have thick eyebrows and I wish my eyebrows were thicker, so I do things to make them thicker. So I'm going to be taking the cleanser, and I'm using a Q-tip to just cleanse off my brows. My mirror's right here, so yeah, cleansing them off. I'm not doing anything crazy though, so there's nothing really like up close to personal that you would need to see. Just want to cleanse off your brows. I also just like washed my face and stuff too, so my face is clean. Now we're going to apply the glue onto the eyebrows. I'm pretty sure this glue is literally like a lash glue, and I've seen people nowadays when they do their brows, I've seen them put like lash glue on their eyebrows first and then fill them in so that they get like, you know, that appearance of laminated brows. So that's also something you can do. I'm gonna use one of these brushes that it came with. They're like kind of like weird brushes. They have these super small spoolies like on this side. Put the glue on the brows. Okay, and then so the step 3 is to brush the brows with this guy right here. So I'm going to brush them straight up like I was showing you guys that I like to do in the first place. I'm not gonna lie, when I first was doing it, this part kind of scared me because I felt like my eyebrows were kind of coming out because it's like glue. So yeah, this part kind of scared me a little bit, I can't lie. But be gentle would be my main advice, is to be gentle so that you don't pull any hairs out. So the little bristles on the end, one end of the Y brush really allows you to really get in and like pull those hairs up.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
And I'm going to do what you see all the people doing. I'm going to do just like that. And I'm gonna let that glue and everything set in, and I'm gonna leave this on my brows for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes and I will be back. So it's been about 10 minutes, so let's move on to step 4, which says to apply perm lotions on brow and cover the film for another 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take this off. So let's see. Kind of already see the brows trying to stick up, trying to get that root straight, because that's the part of my eyebrow that's like super curly, is the root. So taking the number 2 and the focus, there it goes. It takes a minute, but when it does it nicely. Okay, so for the perm, this is the part that I think stinks, I think, if I remember correctly. Doesn't smell the best. Yeah, it smells like perm, but like bad perm. Okay, perm lotion on brows and cover the cling film again. So this is kind of like a gooey consistency. See that? I'm gonna apply this on my brows. Minutes like this, and I'll be back again. Alright, I'm back for step 5, which says to apply the number 3 fixation lotion on the brows, cover them with the cling film, wait 10 minutes. I'm sure you're sensing a pattern here. Let's pull off this film, see what we're cooking. Alright, now I'm gonna do the fixation, which I'm pretty sure this just is gonna like lock everything in place pretty much for us. It's working, it's working. Back to the film for another 10 minutes. Total, it's probably like a 40-30 minute process. So I think this might be the last time I have to let it sit. Let's see. Yep, this is the last time that I have to let sit. Well, 2 more times. 1 more time after this time. So about a 35-40 minute process. Covering my brows again. Okay, you know the drill. I will be back for step number 6. Remove the film, clean eyebrows again with the number 1 cleanser. So I'm gonna go back to that. On to the last step, which is step number 7. apply the number 4 keratin treatment to repair the eyebrows, and then cover the brows back again, and then we will be done. And then after that point, if you had any hairs that you wanted to like trim, pluck, wax, whatever, you would do that then. I just got my eyebrows waxed a little bit ago, so I don't really need them. Yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we are hopefully finished. Hopefully everything's looking good, so let's take this off and see. Fabulous, 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 fabulous. I'm gonna take my little eyebrow spoolie. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs up. So that is how I laminate my eyebrows at the house and save your coins. Save your coins. Also, like, I feel like it's a cute little thing to add like to your self-care routine and all that. So yeah, I like it. It makes my face just like more framed. Like, this eyebrow is the bomb. This eyebrow is like my problem child, but it still looks better laminated than it looks not laminated. So yeah, that is how I do that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me them down below. I love to chat with you guys in the comments, as always. Let me know if you guys like actually want to see how I fill my eyebrows in. I don't really do that much. The fact that my eyebrows are laminated really like does a lot itself. So if you guys want to see that though, I can include it in the next video. I'm gonna keep trying to be super consistent with my uploads this month. This is like my version of Vlogmas. If y'all do want to see some vlogs, let me know. I don't really be doing nothing right now because I just graduated, so yeah, but I can figure something out. If y'all want to see vlogs, just let me know what y'all want to see down below. And yeah, that's it. There's the brow. There she is. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.